Let's explore how to capture dynamic values from URLs in React Router. We'll learn to extract dynamic data from URLs using the useParams hook. URL parameters are dynamic segments in URLs that capture variable data, like user IDs, product names, or category slugs. For example, in the URL /user/123/profile, 123 is a URL parameter. To set up dynamic routes, first import browser router routes and route from React Router DOM. Within the app component, return a routes component that renders a route component. Set the path prop to /user/ID and set the element prop to a user profile component. The colon prefix defines a parameter placeholder. To access the ID parameter, import the useParams hook from React Router DOM. Within the user profile component, declare a const variable called ID and set it equal to the useParams hook. The useParams hook returns an object with all URL parameters. Then simply render a div with the user ID. We can also extract multiple parameters from a URL. Consider the route /products/category/ID. Within the product detail component, declare const variables called category and ID, and set them equal to the useParams hook. Now you can render the category and product ID. For example, the URL could look like /products/electronics/laptop123. Here are some real-world use cases for URL parameters. They are useful for user profiles with the path /user/user ID, blog posts with the path /posts/slug, e-commerce with the path /products/ID, and categories with the path /category/name. Here are the key takeaways. Use the colon parameter syntax to define dynamic route segments. The useParams hook extracts all URL parameters as an object. URL parameters are perfect for user profiles, product pages, and dynamic content routing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.